Welcome. 안녕하세요. Bienvenidos. We will open the Sodo MH2 Morph headset and check out its main components in this video. You can see here, this is MH2 Morph from Sodo with the Bluetooth headset. It has an easy opening on the side which has control buttons. This is what I'm talking about. Gently and slowly pull two plastic rings attached apart, right as I'm doing here. This opening here. Very slowly, try not to put extra pressure, and it's very delicate. Then unscrew the next cover. Try to use a clear sheet on the surface where you're gonna put the screws back, as there is a chance to lose them always if it's messy area around your working table. There you go, 4 screws. You have to take them out. Slowly try to open. There we go. And it's right here. You can see this is the battery and the speaker. The cable is connected to the circuit board. And you see some other capacitor. And the main circuit board with other circuits. Just I'll try to put some more light in here for your reference. Bring it into more focus. That's all. The parts, the main components of this MH2 Sodo headset. And to put it back, just reverse the process to install everything back, and your headset is ready to use again. Just be careful not to entangle any of the wires. Okay, let's put it back in the same way. There we go. and your headset is ready to use. Thank you so much for watching this video. We will see each other in next one. This is yours, one and only, Ramsa.